Tesla's losing Europe, and BYD is coming for blood. Welcome back to Autozium. I'm Matthew, and today we're digging into the electric car rivalry that's turning Europe into a battleground. One side, Tesla, the former golden child. The other, BYD, the quiet killer from China. And right now, Tesla's getting smoked. Let's get into it. April 2025, France. Tesla sells just 863 cars. Not a typo, not a drill. That's a 59.5% drop from last year. And this isn't just a France problem, it's happening all across Europe. Meanwhile, battery electric vehicle sales overall are up 23.6%. The market's not slowing down, Tesla is. That's a brutal look for a company that once defined the EV movement. Now let's talk about why this is happening. Tesla's product line in Europe is starting to feel stale. The Model 3 and Model Y are still hanging in there, but there's nothing new to get excited about. No big innovation, no new body styles, just minor refreshes and some pricing yo-yos that confuse everyone. And then there's Berlin. The Gigafactory was supposed to be a cornerstone of Tesla's European strategy, but expansion plans? Delayed. Output? Not scaling fast enough. Meanwhile, competitors, especially from China, are moving in fast and with sharper tools. And one of those tools? A 4 billion megafactory in Hungary. BYD, the biggest EV company you probably still don't take seriously enough, is setting up shop in Szeged. That factory is designed to produce 200,000 EVs a year, right in the heart of the European Union. Let me break this down for you. That means no import taxes, no long-distance shipping from China, no delays at sea, just direct-to-market delivery, fully integrated supply chains, and cost savings passed straight to the customer. And you know what BYD is doing with that advantage? They're undercutting Tesla. Hard. Take the BYD Atto 3. It's a compact electric crossover that starts around €38,000. The Tesla Model 3, you're looking at $45,000 or more, depending on the country. And we're not just talking about one car. BYD is flooding the zone with variety. Atto 3, Dolphin, Seal, hybrids, crossovers, compacts. They're hitting every price point, every segment. Meanwhile, Tesla's still pushing a minimalist playbook with two main models that haven't fundamentally changed in years. Now, Tesla fans will argue, but the software, the charging network, the brand, sure, those are strengths, but they're not untouchable. Europe's charging infrastructure is improving, consumers are more price sensitive, and BYD's tech, it's catching up fast. So let's talk strategy. Tesla's biggest problem right now? They're playing defense. Price cuts, delayed models, half promises. Meanwhile, BYD is playing offense, aggressive expansion, rapid localization, political neutrality, a clean, focused brand image. And don't underestimate that last part. Elon Musk's public persona may play well in the US, but in Europe, it's a liability. He's loud, he's polarizing, and in countries where trust, regulation, and sustainability really matter, Elon's brand chaos is turning people off. BYD, by contrast, is nearly invisible. No scandals, no distractions. Just cars. And that's starting to look like a superpower. Let's talk timing. BYD's Hungarian plant is expected to go live by the end of 2025. That's less than a year away. When it does, they'll have a production hub smack in the middle of one of the most EV-friendly regions in the world. If they can capture even 15% of the European EV market, Tesla's reign isn't just under threat, it's already ending. And sure, Tesla's got cards to play. There's the long-rumored Model 2, which could bring the price down to match BYD's range. But will it launch in time? Will it be built in Berlin? Will it be compelling enough to reverse the current trend? That's a lot of ifs, stacked on a company that's already slipping. BYD isn't speculating, they're building. And once they're producing 200,000 cars a year inside the EU, they won't just be competing with Tesla. They'll be steamrolling them. Now, I'm not saying Tesla is doomed. They've got brand power, charging infrastructure, and a loyal customer base. But in Europe, loyalty only goes so far. Price, performance, and availability win markets. BYD's got 2 out of 3 already, and they're closing the gap fast. So let's not pretend this is just another new competitor. This is a takeover. Tesla's bleeding market share. BYD's moving in with surgical precision. And European drivers? They're starting to notice. So, I'll leave you with this. Are you Team Tesla or Team BYD? Do you still believe Tesla can hold the crown, or are we witnessing a new king rise in real time? Let us know down in the comments. Smash that like button if you learned something, and hit subscribe for more brutally honest takes on the future of driving. This is Autozium. I'm Matthew, and I'll see you in the next one. Assuming Tesla still has a seat at the table.